ugly? Ano ka? Po. Hindi ka ugly. Ano ka? Ugly ka eh. Ugly. Sige, pogi na.
Kevin ko. What is your name?
What is your name? Oh. Di ba pogi ikaw?
Ugly Kevin.
Sinong ugly? Sino gubad? Away ka ni Tita Dayday. Cover ang tutoy. What's your name nga? What's your name? How old are you? Oy, very good. Say hi to the camera. Hi, everyone. My name is Kevin Garnet. This is not a pen. This is a keychain.
Ugly Kevin.
Ugly ka daw?
Ugly Kevin.
No, I'm not.